Here are 5 maintenance tips that you need to know in order to keep your ride clean, shiny, and protected all year round. Let's get started. The first tip you need to know to make sure that your car stays clean, shiny, and protected all year round is giving your car a proper foam maintenance pre-wash. Now, a foam maintenance pre-wash consists of having a foam cannon, a pressure washer, and your 2-bucket method system to wash your car with. To begin your car wash process, you should always start off by pre-rinsing your vehicle to knock off as much loose dirt, grime, and debris. After you rinse off your car, now you want to start using the foam pre-wash. At this point in time, you want to grab your foam cannon, fill it up with your favorite Chemical Guys soap, and give your car a nice foamy bath. After you finish foaming up your car with those thick, creamy suds, all you want to do now is let that dwell in your paint for about 2 to 3 minutes. In those 2 to 3 minutes, that foam is going to start disintegrating all the dirt and grime, uplifting it and guiding it off your paintwork. This process is crucial to washing your car because this process is going to ultimately reduce the overall chance of you inflicting damage like scratches and swirls to your car as you wash it. Tip number 2, properly protecting your wheels. Now, when it comes to wheels often tend to be the dirtiest part of your vehicle. Now, in order to reduce the overall amount of brake dust that clings onto your wheels, you want to make sure to protect them with a ceramic coating like HydroSpin. HydroSpin is a wheel and rim ceramic coating that's designed to enhance intense ceramic shine and hyperactive water beading on your wheels. Now, the reason why you want to have a protectant like HydroSpin applied onto your wheels is because it's going to greatly reduce the overall chance of brake dust clinging onto the surface of your wheel. Less brake dust means less cleaning. The next tip to maintain your car throughout the year is you want to do routine clay barrings to your paint. And we're here to tell you that you can clay bar your car as many times as you like. The reason why you would want to routinely clay bar your car is to prevent the overall chance of contamination bonding to your paintwork, etching it, and causing permanent damage. Clay barring is extremely easy. All you really need is a clay bar, some clay luber, spray it, scrub it, wipe it off, and you're good to go. Tip number 4 is maintaining your paint throughout the year with some form of sprayable protection. These forms of sprayable protection include things like spray wax, spray sealant, ceramic coating, or even, that's about it. The reason that you want to use something like this throughout the year is to simply maintain the shine and luster of your paintwork. It also enhances any kind of existing protections on your vehicle, such as if you apply a wax like Butter Wet Wax, or a sealant like Jet Seal, or if you apply a ceramic coating like Hydro Slick. These detail sprays are going to maintain your car clean and shiny throughout the year and also boost those coatings to ensure that they're shining their best and protecting their best all throughout the year. And it's extremely easy to use. All you have to do is simply spray it, wipe it off, and your job is done. And the last tip I'm going to leave you guys with is ensuring that your tires and trim are protected with a dressing. The reason that you want to ensure that your tires and trim are protected with the dressing is to prevent drying, cracking, fading, and discoloration. As you can imagine, on your tires, if you clean them or maybe you don't clean them, you don't apply dressing to them, over time they're going to start drying up and that rubber starts cracking and you're going to have to pay thousands of dollars to repair your tires, or sorry, not even repair, but to replace your tires, which you don't want to do in the first place. As far as your trim, nobody likes dull and neglected trim, especially when you have a brand new vehicle. This car that we're working on today, it's a newer vehicle and the last thing that we want is dried and neglected trim because that brings down the overall look and value of your vehicle. Alright guys, and that's going to wrap it up. Those were 5 maintenance tips that you need to know to ensure that your car is clean, shiny, and protected all year round. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and as always, if you guys want to pick up any of the products that we showed on today's video, they're all linked in the description and pinned comment down below. You can visit our website, chemicalguys.com, or go in store at your local detail garage. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys, I'll see you next time.